In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join servers on Hytale, so if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Just a quick reminder that you can use the creator code Academy on the Hytale store if you want to support the channel. So there are some people creating servers for Hytale already, where you can play minigames like Skywars and Survival and much more. So to join a server, just click on servers right here. As you can see, I have some servers here already, so I play Skywars on some of them. I have survival servers as well. So if you want to add and play a server, just click on add server at the bottom right and then put the connection address and the name. So for example, a server I know has this connection address. This is a Skyward server, and then you can put any name you want. So for example, my first server, whatever you want. Click on add server, and now just double click that server and you will start joining. So that's it. Now I'm here at the server, and that's how you can play multiplayer on Hytale. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.